back. Now we are going to edit the sound we just downloaded. So go to this website, Audacity, to download this for the editing. Download the free Audacity audio editor for your operating system. Choose your operating system here and download the corresponding one. So this was the first one, Soundly. We downloaded it. That is where we got our audio from. Okay, you can see it here. This is it, and this is the second one, Audacity. Okay, now let's bring our audio. Go to import audios, look for your audios. So these are my audios. Dog, we are going to use this one. So wherever you see this, there's a noise there. So where there is the line is not straight, there is a noise like this place. So click on it or highlight it, go to effect, come to noise reduction, get noise profile. So okay, now let's go back and highlight the whole track. Go back to effect, noise reduction. Now I think it is already reduced, so reduce the noise by clicking OK. So after that, play it here. The noise reduced, and you can see now the line is straight. Okay, export it as MP3. I already have a file called that. Let me rename it and put this one there. Okay, after that, you can also reduce the noise in the second one. I'll let you do that yourself. Import audio. You can see the man or the human. You can reduce the noise from this too if you like. So if you're happy with it, you leave it like that. Let's meet in the next lesson.